Yeah, hello friends. I hope that you all are doing well. So here in this video today, we will be doing an activity on algebraical identity. And the identity here I have taken today is a minus b whole square. And the expansion of a minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Although I have shown you the same activity in my last video, but here what I have done, I have changed the value for a and b. I have taken higher values for a and b. Here a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3. So as I told you in my last video that this a square can be considered as a square having dimensions a into a, and this b square can be considered as another square having dimensions b into b. At the same time, this minus 2ab can be written as minus ab minus ab, and this ab can be considered as a rectangle of dimension a into b. Similarly for this AB, this can also be considered as a rectangle having dimensions a into b. Fine. So here in place of a we have taken 5, in place of b we have taken 3. So just as a reminder, I am telling you that what is happening here in this identity. I told you that this a square can be considered as a square, b as another square, and this minus 2ab as two rectangles. So what we are doing here, we are removing or we are deducting two rectangles AB and AB from the sum of two squares, a square plus b square. Fine. So what we will do, we will do this activity with the help of multilink cubes here. Fine. I hope that you remember what are multilink cubes. I'll just show you again. This is a multilink cube, and this multilink is considered as a 1 unit. Fine. So here what I have done here, I have taken a square of a, that is 5 square. So here you can see that I have taken a square of dimension 5 into 5, because I told you that this multilink cube is considered as 1 unit having dimensions 1 into 1. So here I have taken a square of 5, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 5. So 5 by 5, this is square of 5. So this block is a square of 5. This is my a square here. This is my a square. Similarly, we will take another square of b, and the value for b is 3. So what I have done, I have taken another square having dimensions 3 into 3. So this is my b square, this yellow part, this yellow one. Orange one is my a square and yellow one is my b square. Fine. So what we will do, we will join these two now like this, or we can keep it like this. Just a minute. It means we have added this a square with b square. Fine. So this is my a square plus b square. So now as per the expansion, what we have to do, we have to deduct two rectangles, that is minus ab from these a square plus b square. So I have taken two rectangles here. The first rectangle is this, pink in color, and the dimension of this rectangle is, this is my a, this is my b. The length I have considered a and b as breadth, and the value for a here is 5, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this is my 5, this is my 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1. So the dimension of this rectangle here is 5 into 3. This is my first rectangle, and as per the expansion we need one more rectangle here. I have taken another rectangle which is black in color. This is my second rectangle, and both are having the same dimensions, 5 into 3. So now what we have to do, we have to deduct these two rectangles having dimensions a into b from a square plus b square. So now what we will do, we will deduct these two rectangles from a square plus b square from the, this is my a square plus b square. Fine. Here we have directed the first rectangle here, A into B, and this is my second rectangle. So we can keep it like this. It means we have deducted two rectangles of having dimensions 5 into 3, 5 into 3 from A square plus B square. Fine. So we can clearly see that here we are left out with 4 multilink cubes. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the dimension of this remaining part is 2 by 2. Fine. So by this activity we have got the value of right hand side as 4. Fine. Or we can say that it is a square of 2. This is my right hand side. The value here is 4. Now we'll come to the left hand side. The left hand side is A minus B whole square, and the value we have taken 5 and 3 here. So 5 minus 3 square is equal to 2. It means we have to take here a square of 2. So what I have done, I have taken 2 blocks of 2 by 1. So 2 by 1 of this is one block, this one is second. So if I join this both, this is my a square of 2, which is 2 into 2. Fine. At the same time, if you see here on the right hand side, the left out is 2 into 2, which is the orange part. It means we have proved that A minus B whole square, or the square of 5 minus 3 whole square, is equal to 5 square plus 3 square minus 2 into 5 into 3, which says that we are deducting two rectangles, which here in this case is 5 into 3, having dimensions 5 into 3, from the addition of two squares, which is my this one A square, 5 square plus 3 square. I hope you this will give a better understanding of the expansion A minus B whole square, which is A square plus B square minus 2AB. Fine. I hope that you had liked this activity. If you had liked this activity, please like my video and share with your friends. In my future videos, I will be sharing more activities on mathematics. Fine. And thanks for watching this video. Thank you.